5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Five, four, three, two, one.
Get those billows pumping!
Five, four,
Beware.
2, 1.
Need a lot on this list.
Grip the engineer.
4,
Move.
2, 1.
Destruction.
Bleed or die.
Nice call.
Five,
Can you grip the
4,
engineer?
3,
Beware.
2, 1.
Destruction.
Call in more security!
Destruction.
Watch. Oh, ours is still up.
Turn up the heat, boys! Sweat 'em out!
4,
Beware.
2, 1.
Guys, stop!
Did we get the last spawn?
Watch the bells running out.
The Fury has broken
5,
free.
4,
Beware.
Oxy, can you hit me with Iron Barb as soon as
Yep.
it's ready?
We have it under control.
four,
Beware.
2, 1.
Watch the bomb it.
Chris, it looks like if you drop the security guard there and the Oxide, she'll pick it up.
4,
Beware.
2, 1.
So that's good.
Security guard in a bad spot.
5, 4,
Beware.
2, 1.
Switch.
Bleed or die.
5,
Beware.
3, 2, 1.
They're all
Talk Dalton.
This one's not.
5, 4,
Beware.
Kill Skull.
2, 1.
Esau, bring that in when you can. I can't bring that far over.
Switch.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1. Five, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
Bring in Moon. It's on Esau.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
2, 1.
Switch.
5, 4,
Get Skull.
Beware.
1. Five, 4,
Beware.
1.
Want to get in position to kill these fire collars before we burn the slag.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
There's one coming in.
Get life up.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
Switch. Get X.
Get X out.
4, 3,
Just keep it in the shield.
Interrupt X and get it.
5, 4,
Beware.
2, 1. Five, 4, 3,
Need a heavy burn.
1. 5, 4,
Kill these fire collars.
Keep Moon out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Interrupt Moon. Get it.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Probably better just keep this. Never mind. It's too late.
5,
Switch.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Interrupting X.
5, 4, 3,
Smoke.
1.
Already.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Watch out. Switch.
Out of range to perch.
4, 3, 2, 1. 5,
Are there any fire calling me out?
3,
Yep, burn the fire collars.
Can we keep?
Get in position to drop.
Are we using heroism for the fire collar?
Yes.
Remember second pop.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Are all the fire colors
5, 4,
I don't see any.
1.
Let's make sure these melts get dropped towards the back.
4, 3, 2, 1.
If you are melee and you have fixate,
4,
find a spot to the left of the boss to stand.
5,
Fox next move.
3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Launching.
4,
Tell me when you want this.
2, 1.
Saved PS. Let me know when you want it.
3, 2, 1.
Iron Bark's up.
Are you guys embark on me?
2,
Move my screen down.
5, 4, 2, 1.
It's a bad melt. We need to move the boss
going.
quite a bit to get us room.
4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stay spread.
Taunting.
Get Oxy up.
Wait, what cooldowns are available?
Smoke bomb. My smoke bomb.
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What if you have any?
Bitchy in 3 seconds, you're up.
Okay.
Trima, smoke the next one.
5, 4, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Anything got in the mega?
Yeah. I can barrier in 2.
Just through it.
That's all we needed. Just a little bit more time needed.
With everyone alive.
Jesus.
You impressed me. I don't know, I had it melt on me and other stuff.